on Twitch for like past 30 minutes. Was watching Mr. Beast's new video. If you guys have watched it, I personally liked it. That was a flipping nice video. Close this. I got 8 inches of snow, Choco. That looks like kind of fun to me. You know why? Because I haven't seen them. I sleep for 11 hours best. How do you feel now? I didn't sleep for 2 days. That's crazy. Yo, Java guy, what's up? How you doing? Chat, I was in a train for last 12 hours. 7 p.m. to 7 a.m. Right now it's around 10 a.m. for me. But I was in a train. I slept in the train. Bad, like real bad. Bro, what? Why would you feel bad after sleeping 11 hours? Wake up at like, okay, 3 a.m. That's crazy. But yeah, I was sleeping in a train. Honestly, my back hurts because train is not the best comfortable place, you know, for resting. It was like, I don't know, very much wiggly all the time. My back hurts. Probably I'll sleep in afternoon. I don't know if I'll stretch through. Maybe sleep early at night. You waked up at 3 a.m. That means you slept at flipping 2 a.m. or what? You slept in afternoon and wake up at night? That's crazy. Even scary is that I seen a creepy shadow. GG's, bro. It was nice. Life. Oh, man. I've never been on a train or a plane. I see. Ooh. How did you get the blue verified on Living 2? I mean, like, how to answer this? I mean, personally, I made a game, maybe. That is it. He was chill, to be honest. Nice. Okay, last time we did this ability thing. I don't know where I should start today's working thing. Never sleeping again is insane. I don't know where I should start this working thingy. Wait a second. It'll take me like 5 minutes to get back into the game settings. What is going on Roblox, chat? Are people still playing this Steal a Brainrot or something? I met a kid over there where I went. I met a kid over there who is probably in 7th grade. And I asked him, do you play Roblox? And he said yes. And he said, I play Blox Fruits, 99 Nights in Forest, Hide and Seek, and other games. Play with friends. I asked him about Steal a Brainrot, and he was like, bro, why is Steal a Brainrot is famous, man? And if it is famous, why people are still playing in 2026? Like, it doesn't make sense now anymore. 2026 and still playing Brainrot games is so yucky. And I can confirm that. I have never played I've never, played Steal a Brainrot in 2026. I don't want to get in that game for some reason. I'm like, 2026? Nope, I'm not going in that game at all. Never. Make it a hangout game with custom chat. Ah. Oh. All right, let's try to come back to the game settings. I don't know. Steal a character like Steal a Brainrot copied? Yes. Look at that. You can use the ability and you can win the game. I forgot how to code as well because I'm using so much ChatGPT chat. I don't even know the file names. Previously, I used to know all the names and stuff. I could just open them and flipping use it. Now I don't even know what contains what in what files. I feel like I've become lazy by using AI. I feel like I've become... Imagine if I'm feeling like this, and imagine the people who just rely on AI completely, lol. Imagine the new generation. They will never be able to flipping. Oh my god, I feel like it's gotta be screwed now. The more you use ChatGPT, the more you become lazy, actually. I forgot everything Lua UIs. Me too. Yeah, god. Alright, so what is the next thing I can do in this game? What is the next thing Chat, can you suggest me something that I can do in this game? Like, what is the next step would be to add in this game? I completely forgot. You can use the abilities right now. I think so. Okay, wait, I'm gonna equip this. And I can jump more. Alright, I can jump more. So that ability works, I think so. Invisibility, I don't know if it works or not. I'm gonna test it out by buying this rare crate like this. There's a lot of stuff I need to do GUI wise, but I'll do it later. Okay, I got the invisibility now. Go to skills. Invisibility is over here. Equip that. And if I use it, will it work? Oh, it does not. Invisibility does not work. Let's fix the invisibility ability, okay? And let's add the slap ability as well. I mean, coding wise. So once these abilities are ready, I think so we'll have abilities, like 4 abilities ready with the crates opening and stuff. Then I think so I can work on morphs maybe. I don't know. Make that ability into top. Like, wait, what? They copied steal a brain rot. Escape tsunami for brain rot was 1. Yeah. Make that ability into top. What does that mean? Like, put this thing on the top. Did you chat GPT for crates, or how did you make them? Yes, I chat GPT. I could tell the game text overlay was AI. Which one? The thing which comes like this one? Yeah, this is AI. Thanks, man. Cage, appreciate it. Yes, up. Oh, man. I'll think about that everything later. GUI wise, I think so. I have to hire someone, honestly, to make nice GUI and stuff. I can't do it personally. My brain hurts by thinking creative for GUI. So right now we're not gonna do that. We just gotta complete the abilities working, and then probably I'll try to, like, you know, think about morphs. Adding morphs in the game somehow. Shop, I don't know. I'm gonna just release the game without the shop. You know what? Yeah. No payment needed. Just play the game. And then what I'll do, that's then one thing I gotta do is right now the blocks that spawn at the center of the map, I gotta make it some shape, maybe gold or whatever. I don't know. Akinator. Cage, did you change the thumbnail? Anything in the thumbnail? Wait, I'm gonna bring save a tongue for the other game. Wait, what? Make it save the brain rot. G Fuji, what's up? Welcome to the stream. My eyes are watering for some reason. Like hearing brain rot sound and guessing. Let's see. Let's first fix the invisibility. It won't be that difficult. Right, let's start somewhere. And you know what? Let's start from Trello actually. Let's start adding our tasks over here. Okay, another list and make it like Natch. Nah, I don't even have the name of this game for now. Chat, how about I make you play this game today? Once I complete the abilities, and you guys play it, and you guys give me some feedback on what do you think about this game, and what could be the name, what could be the potential direction that I can do. Fix invisibility and slap. Okay, these two things I'll fix first, and then we'll see. If you remember, I came here before, and you may remember me, I guess, like when the board game. Which board game? What even is this game? Honestly, I don't even know. My brain is not working. Honestly, chat, I should stop using ChatGPT. Because this is not going good. I'm just confused myself what's going on. I definitely made it fast, like 3 days. These things are ready. But I'm definitely blank right now. That how to flipping move forward. Ability service. We will have something called as invis over here. ChatGPT is making me go blank. We have invis over here as well. So invis, but somehow the invis just didn't start for some reason. I don't know. Because it's brain rot? Oh yeah. You said you're making a board game? Oh, I don't... You mean a table game or something? Did you ever seen starring pianos billboards owned by a player? They are super sus. I haven't seen them. Need to check that out. You have to stream late. Yeah, they'll probably play the game if I make a brain rot game. 2 brain rots. Okay, I don't even know if my code is reaching over here. It should work though. The code. This code is given to me by ChatGPT. So I mean, should be working. I don't know. Let's add print statements over here. And let's check it out why it is not working. If I lose, then I'll sleep without blanket. That's crazy. You know, yesterday I was traveling in train and it was so cold. Just thinking of sleeping without a blanket is scary. Okay. Oh wait, I am actually invisible. But only 0.5. And look at that. What the flip? My humanoid root part came to life. They put the furries there? Oh shit, man. That's crazy. Okay, okay, I go invisible. But actually there is more to it. Okay, first of all, the duration of the invisible needs to be like more. Maybe this 10 seconds and this maybe 15 seconds or something. Level 1. If you have unlocked level 1, you go invisible for 10 seconds. Otherwise, you go for 15. Level 2. And I definitely need to make it completely invisible from others, but I need to make it that you can see it. You can see yourself. For that, I'm gonna take help from my other game. My nose is getting blocked for some reason now. Yeah. Oh my god! Chat, I don't know if I can show this on the stream. But my my nose is bleeding. What the fuck? Wait, I'll be right back. I'm back. Dang, chat. I think so I can show this. This is not that bad. Wait, I don't know if I can show this. I should not show this on the stream. It's like blood on my handkerchief that came out of my nose. For some reason, I don't know. My dad told me to put some cold water on my head. I don't know. I should probably not show this, or I can. Just a peek. I don't know, chat. Blood warning on the stream. Oh, you can't. I can't show this on the short form though. I don't have a camera over there. But okay, just 1 second. I'll take it fast. 1, 2, 3. All right. That's it. That's crazy. I don't know. Just randomly. It doesn't even hurt me but it's just like this. Shit, right? I made this invisible thing in my obby game. Go over here. Welcome back. Me too, honestly. Maybe once in my life. But I hear you said door. I don't know. I experienced nose bleeding first time. This is so random. Like, I didn't even do anything. Ouch. Crazy. 290 pounds. Bro, head got frustrated because of the coding. Oh my god. I don't know. But my dad told me to put cold water on my head. And I did it. Hope it gets fixed. Okay, I had invisibility over here. I had made it over here as well. I'm gonna put this exact same thing once again. So what I need to do is hide the player on the server so that it's hidden from everyone. But you should be able to see it, right? You should be able to see some part of your body, some form of the body, in order to know that where you are actually standing and what you are actually doing. Okay, so that is important. And so that's what we're gonna do. We're gonna hide from the server, from this script, and then we gotta show the player on the client side so that that person can at least see himself. Sus clapping in the background? Wait, what? There's no sus clapping. What's the game about again? Oh man, I can't explain actually. You guys will understand when you will be able to play. I'll open this game once I fix these things. Once I make these two abilities work, I'll open the game so you guys can try it out. Yeah, I can't explain what this game is about. I don't know, honestly. Same color border around the body and make it full invincible. Oh, I see. Maybe, you know what? I don't have to do much crazy stuff. I can just put a highlight inside a player, lol. I don't have to do all the crazy stuff. Just put a highlight inside the player. Red color highlight. That's it. So when you actually press Q, okay, wait. No, we'll need like we'll need like a remote even. Usability. Wait, what is this? I'll be honest, I forgot so much of this code. I'm trying to recall everything. Plus, I didn't even write all of this. Most of the things is written by ChatGPT. So it's more difficult. How much percentage you get from starting pianist? That's a amazing question. That's an amazing question. That's an amazing question. Like player gets 60, other 40. Some goes to Roblox and some goes to the owner. So in every donation game, 30% taken by Roblox and 10% goes to the owner. Add a code on the game. What do you mean? Like code that gives you something? Maybe I'll add it later. What is equip? Where does equip? Okay, equip the ability. Okay, ability region animate usability. Maybe I can use this remote even usability. or handling this invisibility function. Let's see how we can do that. I need a local script for that. Where can I put it? Ability controller, maybe? Yeah, in this folder itself. Yeah, yeah, I think so. That's the place. And give me 1 second. I'm just trying to think. Am I missing something? Ability controllers. There's ability user control, ability controllers. This is UI everything. There's no logic over here for working anything. Let's do it over here itself. I'm Manuel. Welcome to the stream. Can I help you? I'm a decent builder. Let's see. Probably I'll need a builder for this game. Almost 10-15 time game gets a new. You are rich. Yo, I probably need a map for this game, but let's see how it goes. Right now, I'm not able to think about that. Let's go. Let's fix this abilities fast. So let's do this somehow. Ability service. Use ability when we run the invis thing. Completely invisible the guy. Okay. But we need to send a remote even. Game dot replicate storage dot remotes dot abilities dot usability colon fire client to the player and like I need a type probably. So I'm gonna say start invis. Okay, start invis. I think so. That's the only thing I need to do. Maybe I need to send a timer. No timer needed. Just this way. All right, we're gonna receive this over here. So what we're gonna do is game not replicate storage. Game not, okay. Game not replicate storage dot remotes. Oh wow, AI. See again, AI is filling everything, man. Yeah. I swear, if AI keeps on filling this, it is fun at the beginning, but then you don't know what your code is. Then you flipping start tripping type. I'm gonna say command type or something. We don't need cooldown over here. And we're gonna say if command type is equals to start invis, then print starting invis. And we're gonna say else if command type is equals to end invis, print ending invis. And we're gonna just send this remote event once again over here. No, not there. Over here. And we're gonna say end invis like this. Now let's see if it prints out everything. If you want, I do it for free because I just want to see the game be successful. Yo, thank you so much, man. Appreciate it. Bacon, what's up? I haven't really been on YouTube. I see. I was not streaming for 3 days, but I remember you. I was on a vacation thing for 3 days. Not you can... I don't know how to explain. Okay. Look at that. Starting invis. I'm invisible. Look at that. I'm getting the part over here. Put it over here. I think so. Okay, that's insane. Wait a second. So my face doesn't go invisible. That's one issue. Bro, I'm pressing Q when it doesn't start making me invisible again. What the flip? Okay, this sucks. I gotta fix it somehow. First of all, I gotta stop all the other print statements, because those are kind of bugging me now. I need this. Remove this. Remove this. What is the game about? It's kind of complicated. I'll open it for testing in a bit so you guys can see it. Can you copy live message? I don't know. Code of redeeming, I'll add it later. I'm gonna check on starting pianist. I'll be right back. All right. Bacon, man. What's up? How you doing? Sure, I'm gonna make this game like open for testing in a bit so you can, like, you know, see it and stuff. I can't explain actually. 84 visits in 11 day or 1 day. Wait, without running ads or social media. That's nice. Getting visits. Okay, let's come back over here. Ability service. When you go invisible. Okay, that's kind of bugging me right now. Let's use the invisibility script of this. This game. So turns out that your head needs a different transparency actually. Like this. If character has a head and has a face, then gonna make it invisible as well. And I guess we'll keep the tween for now. Keeping tween is alright. Tween service, like this. I'm the average introvert. Yo, thank you so much for the raid, man. Appreciate it. Keep my boys having a good time. I'll try, man. Thank you so much for the raid. Thank you, man. Making a game right now, which is on Roblox. Thank you so much for the raid. Not the average bacon. Not the average introvert. Slash. Shout out. Not the average introvert. Alright. Chicken Nugget, how you doing, man? When eat it fast? Let's see. Let's see when eat it fast. Alright. Transparency 1. Thank you so much, man. Appreciate it. Thank you so much. Alright, so now we are hiding the face as well. Okay. But you know what? I should copy the entire function from this guy. Set transparency 1. Just send the transparency in and probably the character as well. And boom, it'll do all the job for us. Go over here, make a function. Over here. And just send a character as well. For the tool, what we'll do for the tool? If you're holding something in the hand, I don't think you will have any tool for now. So I'm gonna just, yeah, get rid of that for now. Alright, that's insane. That's perfect. That's actually good. Coming back to invisible part, let's do this. Send the invisibility and set it 1 and care. Boom. Done. Now when coming back after this, just put this and put 0 over here. Alright, this will take care of everything. Now on the client side, I gotta make that you see your avatar a little bit. Okay. So I'll go probably over here. And what we'll do is we'll add a highlight over here. And then we'll go like invisible. Oh shit, where is the highlight? Highlight also goes invisible? Wait, what? Highlight also goes invisible with you? I didn't knew that. Why, chat? What if I do occlude it? By the way, for some reason, when I press Q again, it doesn't make me invisible. I gotta fix that. Doing good. Nice. I didn't see half them mods on the streams at all. King of Baseball 2012 was using auto. King of Baseball 2012. So for some reason, when I press ability second time, it's not doing the invisible thingy. Let's see what's up. Go invisible. Oh shit. Okay, it doesn't even go down. Like the Q bar over there doesn't even go down. Let's fix it. Jump boost. Must be an error somewhere. Or probably it just works for speed. I didn't even add for other lol. Yep, I didn't add. Yeah, so I need this. Wait a sec. Instead of writing these two lines everywhere. Oh no, I have to write it everywhere. Or maybe no. Maybe no, I don't have to. Maybe I don't have to wait. So over here, the usability thing, when you use this, so after using that, maybe you do this. I need a config over here, of course. Config will be like this. Should be ability name over here. Like this. And when after the duration completes, we want the tween again. So I need probably these two things over there as well. Okay. After the duration completes, we don't need this part. We just have to send a remote event to regen the animation bar on the screen. And after this much time, you can use any ability again. Okay, let's go back over here. In the init function, not in the init, wait, in the speed boost function. And now we can probably remove this line from here. We can remove this thing from here. And we can remove this thing as well. Alright, so now the regen bar would be working for every ability. Probably we can try the invisibility as well. Yo, Tay, what's up? Yo, Billy Joe Armstrong, welcome back. Look at this, going invisible. Chat, should I make it that you see your character while invisible or no? What do you guys say? Should I make it that you see your character, only you can see your character? Or is it just fine to be just invisible? I don't know. What do you guys say? Like, do you guys want to see your character, like some outline or whatever? Or no? Or should I just keep it like this, invisible completely? Yes, can see. Okay. Welcome to the stream, Pyro. What game are you making? It's kind of complicated, bro, to explain. You just gotta play it. I mean, when it is out. Yo, Tuzu. Yo, Cage, I'm not thinking about that right now. I'm trying to flipping get back into like scripting world all. Okay, so you can see your character. Okay, a little bit. Let's see if just the highlight works. Let's see if just the highlighting works. Wait. Me and my character over here. Chad, when was the last time you went on a vacation or a trip with your family or some group of friends or whatever? When was the last time you went? And for how long? See if I have like everything transparent like this. And if I add a highlight. 2 years ago? Dang, that's too much, lol. The flip. Okay, highlighting doesn't work. Gotta flipping. Oh, man. Highlight works only if you have parts visible, lol. Parts are not visible over there. Really? What if I just add a highlight inside the left foot? It doesn't work. Like maybe a couple months ago, and that was first time too. Like, dang. I see. Honestly, now I'm realizing that I should go out more with people. That is fun, man. Okay, for some reason, the highlight only works if you can see the part. It doesn't even work if the... What the fuck? Okay, now... Yeah, okay. Gotta see the part. Okay. So I have to make the part visible. That's what I didn't want to do. But I think so now I have to. Alright, bro. Alright, I need this function on the client side as well. Make it helper function, set transparency. We need tween again over here. Thank you. AI completely filling it again. Set transparency 1. And I need to send a character, right? Wow. I don't know whether to be worried or be sad that AI is filling everything. I literally... Look at this. AI will fill. I knew that. You see this? I'm just pressing tab, lol. AI is flipping, completing everything. It's crazy. That is just insane. Alright, you go invisible like 0.7. Look, you go invisible On the server, you are invisible. I mean, you cannot see anything. Look at that. Cannot see it anything. But now, when the time goes off, of course, you can see it back. But all right, so only you will be able to see yourself. For others, you will be invisible when you go in this mode. I should probably add a highlight as well on your character. You know why? Because people will complain that, oh my god, I'm still visible, even though you said I'm invisible. But I'm still visible. This game is a scam. That's what children will do. So I gotta probably add a highlight as well. Or maybe, you know what? Make it invisible to 0.9. Just a little bit visible. You should add a custom move system. Yeah, I was thinking about it. Honestly, it would not be that difficult as well. There's probably a video as well that I can just use. I'm gonna add all of that stuff. Yeah. Okay, I want to open this game. Not right now, in probably 5-10 minutes. For everyone in the stream. So you guys can join the game and give me some feedback. What needs to be needed. And then I'll make the game private once again, though. You can't play the game afterwards. I'm gonna just fix the slab ability. I mean, make a slab tool, I guess. I need to make the slab work for now. And instead of slap, I should probably just add a bat or something. Maybe slap is good. But I need to like find a slap now. Do I have a slap in this game or no? Like this cream cheese bagel one. Do I have a slap in this game? I don't. I just have the bat. I just have a bat. I don't know.
Internet's going crazy over.
Make the slab. Oh man, Chad, this will be tough. If I had a slab, lol. I need to decide if I want to make it R6, R15. I need to decide it right now. If I want to make it R6 or R15. Because if I probably add my own custom movement system, I gotta comply with whatever I find on the internet. The animations and stuff. I'm not gonna make it myself. So it's probably gonna be R6, R15. And if for the slab, I need the animation of R6 or R15 depending on what I... So how we do that, chat? I'll do that. We need to give this guy a slap tool that actually works as well. A slap tool that actually works. I mean, I can get it from Toolbox, but it will be not that much fun. You know what I mean? Instead of slap, I'm gonna just make it a bat or something. Bat will be plug and play. Bat is a little bit modern as well. Slap, I feel like it's kind of like a little bit old now. But slap looks fun though. I don't know. Slap icon also looks good. People not gonna get slapped for now, at least. Slap. Let's add slap. Somehow. Slapped our map. Slap givers. Slap battles glove kit. What is that? Documentation. ability. What? Glove ragdoll module on ragdoll hit. Oh my god, there's so much stuff over here. Glove GUI. Does this work? Like if I just put it. There's a setting over there. Okay. Wait, do I have to do it myself or it'll unpack itself? Move ability button to replicated storage. I gotta put everything myself. And where to put this attack reaction template? Rename to attack reaction. And where do I put it though? Where do I put it? Require V. V dot name. Check for reactions. Wait, what is going on? I don't get it. To create a /ability reaction, simply copy this script, rename it to this, and insert it into your character model using scripts. For example, then simply edit it to a reaction. What? Anyways, we just gotta play it. Roblox is so boring at the moment. Yeah, it's boring. I'm just here to flipping make studio games. Okay, Slap is okay, but like there's no animation for Slap. You don't. Ability button key code is E. Okay, the Slap animation doesn't work probably. Or they don't even have that. I don't even know. Probably don't have. Okay, I need. Oh man, I don't want to change the Slap to a bat now. I want to keep it, dude. What if I just change the tool model of bat coding, but just use the Slap one? Let's get out of everything. I don't know if I should make the game R6 or R15 because probably R6 is much more nice to have. If I'm adding custom movement and everything, I don't know. We will have R15. Let's see. Wait. So bat, right? Let me get the bat from this game and put it over here somewhere in the workspace for now. So this is the bat, right? It has the handle. That is the thing. We're gonna get the Slap once again for the tool. For the handle. Glove template. This is the hand and this is the handle. Okay, so you have like two parts and one is like weld constrained. Both are weld constrained as expected. Alright. Now, this bat has a controller which requires a combat service, ragdoll. That's it. Other things I can remove. Choco, I'm so tired. Me too, bro. Me too. I want to sleep actually. I might sleep in sometime. Sometimes studio feels boring. Oh god. Alright, so what if I just copy these two and I remove the handle from here and I put these two over here like this. Will it be just starting to work or what? Now if I put this bat in our starter, starter pack, yeah. Let's see. The coding will not work. I just want to see that it's in my hand or something. Okay, I gotta just flipping like make the direction of it. Put it over here. We need the extension, the plugin, the grip tool one. Where is it? Okay, look at that. Great. Our scripts don't work, so I'll make it work. Alright, this could be a little bit better visual wise. That's okay. Now the script of this guy. Now we'll need a lot of service. Combat service and ragdoll, both of them. Gotta put it in. Oh god, okay. I'm so sorry. Combat service in like this. Combat service, but you don't gotta initialize it. I don't know, just put it over there, I guess. But it's not like a service. It's like a module, lol. But I'll keep it over there. I don't know. Combat service and ragdoll. This is inside replicated storage, shared utilities, ragdoll, like this. Okay. Now, server and services. Shared utility. and Ragdoll. Yeah, ChatGPT is insanely like that for now. Easy. We don't need data manager. We don't need player data. We probably don't even need constants. What type of game are you making? It involves, I mean, honestly, it's kind of difficult to explain. If I could show you, that'll be the best thing. Right now, it's not in the state of showing. I don't know what genre it will be called right now. That's why it's kind of a competitive round-based game. And I'm sick. It's a competitive round-based game where you have abilities and you do something. What is this guy saying? Tool or paradigm? Why is this bugging? Cannot cast data model into player because the types are unrelated. Tough. Yep. Data manager bad. Let's remove this slide. Don't need that. Why is it giving so many errors like this? We don't need this. What is that? The errors are insane. I don't know. It's probably gonna work. Let's see. Okay, so it says bad, but it's a slap actually. What is the animation, chat? They don't even give errors for animation now. Not working. Card controller line number 93. What's that? There's an error they're saying. They're saying infinite yield possible on stats. Whoa. That's new error. But once again, why the animation stop working? Nice. Why is the animation not working? Hello, how are? What's up, man? Welcome to the stream. I'm good, man. How you doing? I'm kind of sick, though. But yeah. Why is the animation not working of Slap when I click on it? It doesn't even show any error to me. That's weird. Hit Adam. Hit Adam is over here. Doesn't play. Print here to 32. Okay. See, it prints out here 32. It just isn't animated. Is it R6? This game is R6?
Internet's going crazy over.
No, it's R15. No, it's R6. Oh my god.
Cream cheese bagel.
Okay, now I need a slap animation from somewhere. It's R50. I mean, not bad, but I would love if it wasn't starting from like this position. Maybe start from the default position. I don't know, whatever you're standing at. Because this will be like, I don't know, it'll be laggy or what. Let's post this. I don't know. Publish to Roblox. Slap greater me. Save it, I guess. And copy that. Let's see if this works. Not bad. But why the flip legs goes? What up? Yo, what's up? Welcome to the stream. But you know what? This is stupid. Why are legs like that? This is worse. I'm back, bro. After 3 days, I'm finally back. How you doing? I don't like how they have legs moving for these. I don't like that. Don't move legs at all. Don't move lower torso as well, actually. What if I delete this? Okay, don't move them. Then all these legs, no. Alright. Only this much moves. Yep, this is much better. If I'm walking, I can just keep on walking. Much better. I don't know if it'll actually throw you. Hope it does. Handled or touched? It works on handle touching the things, not the slap actually. So we gotta fix that as well. I'm gonna name it as slap now, and handle and hand. We need hand touching. Okay. So instead of handle, we will make it as tool dot hand, like this. Alright, the slap is ready. So what you gotta do when you activate the ability? Go to ability service. Where is the slap? Slap is over here. Now, you don't want to do any of these things. You just want to give the slap to the player. Just give the tool. Just give the tool to the player. That's what you want to do. So I'm actually going to go in this game and try to find a function called as give tool. We'll conveniently have it somewhere. Common server utils. Player item owned. Give tool name from ID. What is that? Alright. I need this much part of this. Slap. If not player backpack, wait 3. If player dot backpack exists, find first child with the name of the tool, which is slap in our case. Which is slap in our case. Just slap in our case. And server storage tools. Are these our tools needs to be the server storage? Because keeping them in replicated storage, people can just hack it out. So put a slap in the server storage tools. And alright. Continuous statement must be inside a loop. What do you mean? Oh, okay, it's not a for loop over here. Maybe return would work. Can I have mod? Bro, really? Okay, why do you want mod? Let's take a let's say take an interview. What? All right. Wait. So after this much time, CFG will be over here. After this much time, I gotta actually take the slap away from the player, right? So this is how we're gonna do it. If player.backpack find first child slap, or no, wait, gotta make it different, separate. Then backpack slap. No, how? Destroy. Yep, destroy. Over here, else if you find it in the player. Yo, Divine, what's up? Welcome to the stream. Live after 3 days, I guess. We live after 3 days. Destroy. Alright, take the slap. Yo, I think that the slap would be working now. Let's see. But I need to get the slap first. So, ability config. No, not ability config. Crates. Crates over here. Slap is 1%, which is really rare. I'm gonna make it 50-50 for now for testing. A lot of new stuff. Ooh, nice. 3 days is a lot of time. Because I'm OG. Bro, OG is like, you know, you can just enjoy the stream, you know, instead of mod. I don't think that is the reason I to give mod or some, you know. That's what I would say. Alright, look at this. So I need the slap. I need to unlock the slap. Go over here, 5,000 crate. Boom. Before the RS touch grass stream. Okay, look at this now. I'll have the slap when I press Q probably. Hopefully. I should be. Oh man, I forgot to equip that. Alright, let's see now. Oh, I gotta change the thing. I don't want it to be like as a tool, like just want to be in the hand, I guess. I don't know. Just giving it as a tool doesn't seem like the best thing ever. I think so it should be in your hand automatically when you trigger it with the idle animation. But then how I'll detect that you activated it? Maybe I can remove that it requires handle and I need an idle animation too. Oh man, this is a lot of work. If I just want to remove it from tool base to like it's always in your hand. I want that you have the slap in your hand always, just like how blade ball is. And then you can just click away on the screen. The problem is that I need to detect your clicks again. Because tool has this inbuilt thing that you activated the tool. Now I'll have to manually track the tools. Plus I need the idle animation for slap. That's a lot of work. The welding of slap in your hand is also a little bit something I don't want to do right now. Well, at least it works though. Wait a minute. So slap, right? Slap has this image ID. Where is this slap? I got an idea. Give me more. I got an idea that when slap ability is not being used, it just sits on your waist like the knives from MM2. And when use the ability, someone animation runs and yeah, that's actually cool. I could add that when polishing this game. I feel like I'll keep on polishing this game. This game is fun. Let me just see if the slap thing works. Like you get the slap and it's taken away from your hand once the ability runs out. Then I'll, bro, don't say please, man. Don't say please, dude. Oh shit, it actually doesn't go away. Oh, wait a minute. It stayed for there. It stayed over there. I pressed Q, I got the slap. But ability, when ability runs out, it should take away the... It should take away the slap. What? Something is wrong somewhere. Slap. Okay, it takes out after this much duration. Alright. There is no wait over here somewhere. I mean, this one is 3 second wait. I don't know. Ah, this might be the one. I won't troll. Ah, man. Just gave you mod. That's a flipping insane command, bro. I didn't realize you guys added these. Oh wait, oh yeah, you're mean, bro. How am I mean, lol? What do you mean? That's crazy to say. How the flip am I mean? You are mean, bro. You are mean. What the flip? I'm just kidding, bro. Print CFG. When does this happen? That's the question now. Because over here, print regen and print playing. Removing slab. Back. What's up? Remember me? Yeah, I remember you. Welcome to the stream. Manualiza Gaming. I'm sick. That's why my voice is a little bit thick right now. I got the slab. Now regen hits. But removing slab hits after a long time. I have a question. What's up? Yo, how do I fix this, man? Why removing slab hits after a long time? Even printed out CFG on line number 116 over here. It says duration 10. Okay, that's great. There's only one thing. This weight. I don't think that would be the issue though. Maybe, you know what? Just remove this. Let's see if it gets fixed. Q like this. Now let's see if it goes away at the same time. No, it still does not. This guy, this hand stays for a while. Gotta fix that. Wait, where? How do I fix this? Where is it taking time? I don't know. What? Regen starts after CFG duration, okay? And this starts after CFG duration. Both CFG are probably same as well. Print CFG. That means config. That's so weird. What is going on? I'm confused. Oh, wait. This takes a different CFG and this takes a different CFG. Wait, what? Levels of level. Levels of level. But this is not same. Oh shit. Oh my god. This uses invis. That's why. Gotta use the slap one. I'm so stupid. Okay, that'll be good. Now no need of this print statements. Let's remove it. Oh my god. Wait, I can't just remove that. I don't have the ability name over there. Really, dude? Alright, bye. I need to put slab over here. Like this. Remove the CFG. Remove this. Okay, now it'll work. I got the slab. Let's go. use it. After the timer hits 0, it'll go away. But the game lags. A frame is lagged out. I don't know. Let's try it again. I press Q, got the slap. Use it. Pick this up. Put it in. Yo, chat, who wants to try this game? Anyone interested? I want to make it public for a bit. Not public, but like, just so you can play. 'Cause I want some feedback. That what is the next step to be built? Is this system even fun? Or is it not? Alright, Rootcon, what is your username? Okay. Oh, I can't add this. Fuck, dude. I gotta go to another account. Where are you? Oh my god. Is there anyone else interested in trying out this game? I accidentally started a global trend. What is that?
Kotaku's blaming me? Oh my god. Oh my god. Am I getting blamed on some shit?
Context. A couple of weeks ago, Asmon played this, and as you can see, the playthrough went viral.
We have a new game made by the UK for us to become de-radicalized and better members of society.
Amelia, Charlie's close friend, has made a video encouraging young people in Bridlington to join a political group that seeks to defend English rights. Amelia spoke of a gathering that had been organised by a small political group. They would come together and protest the changes that Britain has been through in the last few years and the erosion of British values. Charlie realised that if they had chosen to engage with these harmful ideas, the consequences would have been very different.
He's being re-educated.
Ideology and the differences between right and
This was
Some game accidentally far. I always talking about. I guess that's probably kind of true. I mean, I did.
Did anyone else wants to try the game? Then let me know. Because we need more people in the game. We need more people in the game to start the game. How do I do this? Wait, are you in the game already? Yeah. What the flip are you doing? How did you find it, Lloyd? Yo, G Fuji, what's up? 1 second, I'm in the middle of something. How do I fix this? Current winner, right? Current winner. So that's okay. Playtest perms? I see. Chad, who wants to try this game out? It's not completed, of course, but I just want people so that we can just, I don't know, play test it and flipping feel it. Like, how is the system working and stuff. But okay, wait, I'll try to join the game. Let me find your game too. I gotta add you. I gotta add you as a playtester in the studio. Then only you can join that game. SPS 940, 345. I mean, not 945, 339. Alright, bro, flip it. Wait a second. The game is on my profile, but I don't think you can find it. Neither me. Yep, I cannot find it either. How did you find the game? Because I can't find it. How did you find the game link? Join me. Okay, wait, no. Almost got it. Gotta send this guy as well. I don't think you can join a GFUG. I gotta add you first in the game. And only I can. I'm already in the flipping round. How did I have no clue how to do this. Wait, is it bugged? There's no bugs at all. But you're winning from 4 rounds. Alright. Wait, why is there like 3 items at the center? Should be only 2. Wait, what just happened? There is some bug though. Oh shit, the round size. I didn't increase the round size. That's why. Round. Intermission 5 seconds is alright, or maybe make it 9. Round duration, make it like 30 seconds. And publish this. Oh shit, I forgot about this thing. Where is the flipping game, bro? That's crazy. Alright. You can't take 2 parts at the same time. If this is, I'm gonna win. I'm gonna win because I have the 1 part in my base. You need a part in your base too. Oh, I don't have any abilities on this account, I guess. Alright. Ah, man, but I forgot about this glitch, lol. You need a part deleted if it's in the hand as well. You understood the concept or no? You need more parts in your base. That's how you win. That's the concept of the game. You need more parts. in your base. That's how you win. Oh shit, man. Wait, how the flip you won? What the flip? This is a scam game, bro. Don't play that. How the flip did you won? How is this not good? How the flip did you won? I had more blocks in my base. Okay, first of all, we gotta delete the blocks if they're in the hand as well. So let's try that. Round service. When everything gets cleared up, end round. Ending. Teleport everyone to the main lobby. Current round end. Avatar service destroy bases. Reset arena. Okay, where are we spawning the blocks? Calculate spawn C frames. Teleport players, spawn bases, spawn items. So this is the spawn items, okay? We need something where we keep a storage of all these items and then we delete it as well. So reset arena. Reset arena. Arena, get children, obj.name, collectible, obj destroyed. I guess I'm doing it. I guess I'm already doing it. Spawn items. Reset arena. Go to the arena goal and get children. Yeah. So I'm going over there. And if the object name is equals to collectible. Oh shit. Wait a second. When you get the item in your hand, from service. When you get the item in your hand, item pickup. Item service and pickup happens. The item service, there's a pickup happens, player and item. At that time, I'm changing the parent of the item over here to the character. That's something which I should not do, probably. But maybe, am I like searching item over here? I think so. That line would solve that issue for probably now. And number of steals. That should... I don't know how the flip that problem occurred. That the winner changed. That was weird. That was actually weird. Alright. Yo, chat, I'm actually feeling really sleepy right now. I think so. I need an hour of sleep before I can do anything. Okay, to complete the night rest. So I'll end the stream over here for today. Tomorrow I'll back in the routine and stuff. Alrighty. Thank you so much for joining the stream. Just play games. I mean, I'm just feeling sleepy right now. Nah, no play games. My entire day would probably just not go well. I'll just complete an hour of sleep maybe. Then I'll be active again and do something with the game and yeah. Thank you so much for joining the stream. I'm gonna be asleep. Enjoy sleep. Honestly, I just want to relax right now. Still vacation mood. Still wanna like do nothing. Goodbye. Thank you so much for joining the stream. Tomorrow we'll back in the routine.